Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the show. This is the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. We have an awesome, incredible video for you guys today about a brand new rideshare company that could potentially be taking over Uber and Lyft in the United States. They're launching very soon. I have the latest details for you all. Please thumbs up the video if you like making more money and good pay. If you're a gig worker, please thumbs up the video. Let's help spread this, because that's the only way that, you know, this new app is going to get attention. I firstly want to thank our sponsor, T-Mobile. T-Mobile is now the owner of Play Octopus, which is the tablet you stick in the back of your car as an Uber and Lyft driver, and you start earning income. Extra income. They got millions of dollars, and they're giving you as an Uber Lyft driver money. Put this in the back of your car or back of your headrest, and your passengers play little games. You get tons of money for doing so. So click the link below. You can get signed up, make an extra, they say drivers, full-time drivers make an extra $100 a month. You can also start referring people, make hundreds of more dollars per month. They pay out really well. Sign up for Play Octopus. We've signed up over 1,000 people, and you can sign up too with the link below, and let's get started. All right, my friends, so we're looking at this app, this Facebook group, and this new company called Crow Drivers. I remember the last time I made a video, they only had about 90 members. You can join their group. Again, I'm not paid at all by them. I've only spoken to them through Facebook, through comments. So we're going to take a look at this. You know, they're posting updates in here, and we have the latest update right now. They're very active. You can see they're posting multiple times per day, and this is the fare breakdown. Crow Drivers, we'd like to explain our fee and earning structure. Here we go. Let's make this full screen right here. Crow Drivers, we'd like to explain our fee and earning structures for Crow X. With Crow, you will notice some key differences between us and other major rideshare companies, aka Uber and Lyft. First, we are offering drivers 85% of the whole ride fees with Crow. What do you guys think about that? Is that good enough? 85%. Not bad. I mean, the app has to make some money, right? 15% per ride. I don't know, Uber and Lyft. Comment down below, what does Uber and Lyft take per ride? First, we are offering drivers 85% of all ride fees with Crow. The following is the earning structure. $1.25 a mile, 25 cents a mile. Crow also charges not only for the ride, but also the pickup. 50 cents a mile and 15 cents per minute. So it's, but $1.25 a mile is pretty freaking good to me. I wonder what that would cost the passenger. Sounds like pretty good. I guess maybe the driver only takes 85% of this, right? Crow also charges not only for the ride, but also the pickup. Drivers receive this from the time drivers accept the ride to arrival at passenger pickup location. Once passenger is in vehicle, Crow pays drivers $1.25. I like how they explain it all, and they provide examples. For example, if it takes drivers 8 miles, 12 minutes to arrive at the pickup point, drivers will be paid 50 cents a mile, 15 cents to the location. 8 miles will take 12 minutes to arrive at pickup point. Driver earns $4 for 8 miles, $1.80 for 12 minutes. Total pickup charge $5.80. I love how they lay it out. Uber and Lyft, honestly, I would never see them do that. Driver made $5.80 before passenger gets in the car. This pricing structure is unique to Crow. Our first launch will be in New Jersey. New Jersey will also be paid an additional fee due to the fact if you have a drop-off out of the state. All drivers doing drop-offs in other states that don't allow pickups will be paid an additional 70 cents per mile. Wow. Drivers earn $10 airport pickup bonus, $5 airport drop-off bonus. Obviously, dropping off at the airport is like any other drop-off. I mean, you drop somebody off at McDonald's, you drop somebody off at the airport. Usually I mean, it depends. It depends. But a lot of times, in my opinion, you can drop somebody off and kind of leave the airport kind of fast. When you're picking people up from the airport, that's when it takes a long time. You're waiting for them to get luggage, blah, blah, blah. They gotta go to the rideshare pickup zone. It's a mess. Drop off, you just drop off pretty much anywhere for most airports. But look at your local rules for the airport. Bradley, somebody sign me up. Drivers are ready. They said, we have not yet launched the app. It will be available at the end of this month. So it will be available at the end of July, because they said that a day ago. They're actually on here talking on July 4th. Crow says, we'll be expanding after our initial launches and are posting a little more info about that today. Thank you for everyone for joining Crow and your support. Waiting for launch in Alabama, Indianapolis, California, Vegas. People are ready. North Carolina, Kansas City. I mean, people are ready for a new app, my friends. Now let's look at the latest updates. Update. Some of you asked about marketing materials to help promote Crow in your areas. We have a flyer and a card which I've uploaded to the group for anyone who would like them. You can find them by clicking on the file button at the top of the page. They are in JPEG and PDF, or the posts containing them are pinned to the featured section clickable. How much do you pay for referred drivers and passengers? I honestly don't think they're going to do that. I think they're going to try to do a slow rollout kind of thing. But yeah, let's go to the files. I didn't even know you could do this. But yeah, they uploaded this. See what this looks like. Crow Rideshare app, affordable rides, a fair ride for... Available, download in the App Store. Are they on the App Store? Download the... Oh, they do have a website. They got a website. Okay, by the looks of it, this flyer, they could have paid somebody $5 or hired somebody to make a... I mean, this is just basic text, but whatever. Let's go to that website, crow.one. I guess they're still working on it. But yeah, anyways, that's the update, my friends. Let me know, what do you guys think about Crow? And maybe they're watching this video and maybe you could give them some suggestions down below. So thumbs up the video if you are interested in signing up or if you're interested in learning more. And for now, sign up for T-Mobile Play Octopus tablet down below where you can start getting a free tablet in a couple of minutes and start making some good money. Thanks for watching, guys. You guys are awesome. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.